What do you got there?
It is late, but we've got a mile to make here. The boys are up to something. We've got a bunch of boxes here to open, but that's not the big surprise. Ben has something cool to show us and something that these guys have been working on. So it's late. Let's hit the road today on Six's Backcountry.
Look at this thing. It's got a round swirly thing. All the tubes coming off of it.
What do you got there?
Coming in hot. It's time.
What's your phone?
Install time.
We're getting this together?
I think that's the plan. We're gonna give it a go. There's lots of stuff, but looks like a pretty nice kit so far. So it begins.
It's taking me back, boys. It's taking me back to those long late nights where we used to have to work on the trailer till 3 in the morning. I don't think this is actually going to be that bad. I think they got like a head start on the project already. So this shouldn't be one of those nights that we're around till 6 in the morning. Quick little hour-long drive through the ice fog here tonight. Go to Shawnee's and we'll see what they've been up to. See how far they've got along in that thing.
We got to strip the exhaust off, pull the air box, pull the throttle bodies is kind of what we know from what directions we've read so far. The air box up front here. Not very easy doing this with one hand.
Yeah, because that doesn't fit like that.
It's a pretty detailed install here.
Oh well, everything by hand. We're not stripping anything out, right?
That's right.
That's right.
We can use the impact on your machine. It'll take it. We're getting somewhere.
Not bad. It's a nice kit.
Yeah, so far pretty nice. I mean, working on these little things, there's not much room to begin with, so.
No,
But wherever it fits, it's meant to be, that's for sure.
That's right. Precise.
Yeah.
Precise.
Oh, not a bad time to start a video. Hello, animals. How's it going? It's coming along just as good as you guys, I guess.
Yeah, very good.
Ah, that's good. So, Ben, what's going on here?
What's going on?
Yeah.
Cat's out of the bag.
The cat's out of the bag. Look at this thing. It's got a round swirly thing. All the tubes coming off of it.
It doesn't look like an 858 on the
Not at all.
There's gonna be some mad people.
You say one thing about a skid plate, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all we said.
And everybody thinks you're getting an 858. All right, Ben, how far along are you guys on this thing?
We're on step 21, but it's actually a pretty detailed install guide here. So basically tear everything down.
Put it back together with a blow dryer on it.
Yeah, a blow dryer, yeah. Yeah, it's actually, it's not bad install instructions, really.
So whose turbo is this? Who are we working with here?
This is solid turbo, Legend turbo, yeah. So they're out of Utah, and we're gonna be running their kit this year. Pretty excited about it.
Are you excited? I knew that wouldn't last long with you not having a turbo.
I couldn't do it. I'm like, nope, that.
That's not
It was
gonna last
either buy a
long.
new sled or buy a turbo, and I think there might be a lot of other people like me. They're like, got a sled, it's paid for, it's really good. Is it worth spending 30 grand on a new factory turbo or investing 7-8 grand into what you got and having something capable as well? Anyway, so this is the route we're going,
Yeah.
and pretty excited about it.
I'm excited for you.
You should be.
Looks good, boys.
Actually installing it ourselves because you get to learn it really well.
Oh, yeah,
Every
we'll know
time I
this
don't
thing
install
inside and
something,
out.
I'm like, it's probably worth the struggle of us doing it on our own just so we understand things better.
Oh yeah, we know where everything goes when we're in the mountains. That'll be good.
Yeah, the engineering behind it's pretty nice, I gotta say.
Yeah. Looks nice. Well, I've got some stuff for you guys too. Where do you guys need me in this operation? Clutching?
Yeah, that'll be coming up here.
Okay, well, I can just take care of it right now. I can at least look into that while you guys are doing some stuff.
Not gonna need this anymore. You see the nose cone from here is already on there?
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's right here.
That'll keep the snow out, huh?
So I'm curious how the hood bolt's on actually. I'm not sure how that's gonna go, right? Because usually you slid it in there with the rubber.
Yeah, you
Now, the nose
should
cone is not on here anymore. So.
still be able to do that.
Here we go. This is Bikeman. I don't know. This is for you and the clutch stuff?
That
I feel like it might be.
I don't know.
So here's the bike.
I'll take care of this. I'm in charge of clutching. That's a nice kit, Ben.
Thank you.
Quality shit for Chow.
Yeah.
Quality, yeah.
No fucking around. Do you have any apprehensions here, Benjamin?
No, not so far. I mean, it's a little nerve-wracking. It's a big change, but I did a lot of research before this. I was like, I think these are the ones to go with. So.
Sweet. You got something to say?
It's all laid out for him. Easy peasy. We'll get her figured out here. How many did I put on? 4. Oh my god.
Let's see those springs. What do you guys? I'm standing back here.
Tell me to hold the snow machine.
Which way are you pulling? You pulling that way?
Maybe Chow? That was a tough one, actually.
We're so close.
Get your fucking ass in there.
I'm scared.
It's not on there.
Hold on. Oh, you get the hardest one in there.
That's scary. All right, so there's
Those are the springs you need when you're gonna run 60 psi on a cat.
60 pounds of boost.
He's gonna push.
Well, here's the thing, Ben. Because remember how I said that this spring seems long for an adept?
Yeah.
These are team weights.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah. Arctic team. Sniper weights. So we need a kit for an adept.
Sweet. So it always has a couple pounds of pressure in there. So as soon as you get on the throttle, the vacuum closes this wastegate, and you have like instant boost. Like there's already almost some pre-charged air in that air box there.
Yeah, like
that's why it's like super crisp and super.
yeah, and then you were saying like in here that there's a set of reeds, right?
Yep, I took
in
some
there?
videos of that for you.
Oh, okay,
Putting
sweet.
that in
I'll
so
be
you
able to
can
look
see.
at it. This is already like a way nicer fit and finish than my silver is.
Yeah.
That looks nice, Ben.
Yeah, for a while it was. I was actually talking to Hayes. I'm like, how many surgeries has this sled had? Because we got pictures from last year of this thing just dangling. We did skid out, did the big cuts on the running boards there and everything. It's like I can never get rid of this sled. It's been through a lot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's our fault.
Yeah,
You
it's
didn't.
your fault.
You didn't want to be the one guy without a turbocharger.
That's caused this. I had to refinance my house.
You were right here, Chow.
I think according to this picture, that does look great.
Oh.
It's almost right straight behind, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Where are we at, Shawnee? where are we at, Shawnee?
One more time. We're putting the oil system on. We're putting the oil system on here.
A computer dark, holding the flashlight up there. That help?
I just so used to hold the flashlight around.
I was watching you do that for a while. Well, your oil tank isn't broken off on one side like mine is. That's too bad.
You can always put this on yours.
I could.
You could do a belt drive in Whitey.
You and me are gonna have like a little bit of a turbo showdown here.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna have to ride this because I won't know the difference.
I know.
I've never even ridden yours. I don't think.
I know. I don't know why.
But you'll know the difference right away.
Oh, yeah.
You know what yours feels like, so you'll know if this feels.
I bet you this thing's gonna be way quicker out of the gate.
Yeah.
Like way quicker.
Yeah. Well, we'll see.
Yeah. The return is the one that I had to repair.
I would assume everything should be full. I should have pushed it in there. And the return. Right, his doesn't have a. His is once it's pressurized, it goes back through that check valve.
Oh, so there's no return.
There's no return.
Oh, that's
So
right.
the constant pressure on there up to like, what did you say? Like
2 or 3 pounds.
2 or 3 pounds, and then it just relieves back to tank.
So it doesn't push the seals out.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Which is why yours might smoke once in a while.
That's why mine has to have smoke brakes.
We're pretty sure that's what's happening with it.
Yeah, we learned a little bit about that thing.
Yeah.
It's still, so you're holding constant pressure on this, like your 2 psi or whatever, and then the rest of it's going back to your engine.
So
Like it
the
normally
oil's
should.
just tapped into the bearings there, and
Yeah.
And it's always got oil pushing on
Yeah,
there?
it just has oil sitting there.
Okay.
It uses the coolant to cool.
Yeah.
So
And when mine starts smoking, it means that it's pushing through those bearings.
Through
The seals in those bearings, yeah.
It's burning it.
And that's why the silver burns and has to have smoke breaks at the beginning of the season.
we just need a wrench to tighten that up.
What size is that?
I don't know.
You don't know. From just up here, it looks like it'll be fine. It shouldn't have any clearance problems.
Yeah, you stay away from my avgas, Ben.
I might have to sample it if it's gonna be a problem.
You don't want to fly away like the Alpha does.
Oh yeah.
With its peak 8,000 RPM power.
Some guys saying it sounds like 7,400 or something.
It was spiking at 82, but I can't get it to hold 82, so we need to go lighter.
It was doing a lot better.
It was doing a lot better, but nobody's given me good information on weight for that thing, so I'm basically been up to myself to do it.
Yeah, you'll figure it out.
Yeah, and I don't want it to over rev, so it's just been a series of slowly taking more out.
Yeah.
Yeah, under revving's better than over revving.
Yeah, over revving isn't fun, especially if you got a turbocharger attached to it.
Yeah. That's why I'm a little nervous with mine. I
Yeah.
don't want to lighten it up too much.
Yeah, yours. What did you find out with your clutching? Did you find out anything?
I haven't even had time to take it apart.
No, too busy worrying about spark plugs that aren't all the way in.
That's right. And Benjamin's machine here.
And this thing.
This thing's got to get fucking done.
There you go, buddy.
You even got the flashlight going.
Oh, I think you're good there. There's tons of space for that thing.
Lots of room there. Yeah.
This one's like a shorter.
It'd be nice. I would maybe mark what color you have.
Yeah.
On
I
that
don't want
one.
to change it. We'll just go with what's in here and start there.
Oh, so there you go. So you can put in any one of those you want.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, put that in. That seems like the one.
Ben wants the big spring.
This is your smallest spring. So whatever this thing runs for boost, like what is this going to run you at? Like 4 pounds?
5-6 pounds.
That'd probably be
What is the max this thing goes up to?
I don't know. Like I'm assuming this might be a race gas spring. If I was gonna take a guess, I don't know. I'd have to do some more reading. On the throttle body boots, you'll see in the video we oh man, we gotta move those. We gotta put the clamps all the same way. We did a nice job on it. We were not speedy, but we put everything together nicely.
You don't want this job to be done right.
Yeah.
That's important. It's not really so much the turbo install, it's the making sure nothing is rubbing anywhere and
Where's the 8mm?
wondering where the 8 mil is.
Always looking for the 8mm.
Everybody is so fucking tired. Like, everybody's just saying the wrong thing. Well, I better make sure my clutching is tuned in that Alpha, or else I'm gonna get my ass kicked by all you guys with your tunes and your fucking new turbos and.
Look at that, it's all together.
Oh. Stock sled.
Yeah, you built yourself a sleeper.
Sleeper. Oh yeah.
So we're not gonna fire it up today.
No.
No.
Well, you guys gotta wait for the first start as much as we do. We want to do it.
Yeah, we gotta wait a little bit. Well, I did bring gifts for you guys.
Boy.
I think that one's me.
That's mad.
Yeah. And then Ben went with the red and white. You got some colors going on this year, huh?
Changing it up a little.
Man, that's fancy.
You like that? All that stuff. Be careful.
cut through it, buddy.
Careful.
No, I better
You can tell that I put that back together myself.
not. That was already in here.
I wanted my gloves out of there for the last ride, so I took those.
Swinging a knife around.
Every time Ben sends me his CKX wish list, I have to double check the part numbers and the sizes.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Because somebody doesn't write down the right part number sometimes.
Hoodie, it's a burgundy hoodie. Is that me?
I think everybody got burgundy hoodies. I think there should be 3 in there.
We got hoodies.
We got an extra large.
We got.
This is a small. I like Christmas. This is nice. Turn up the Christmas music.
I guess, eh?
You're probably.
You said there was an extra large one?
Yeah, Sean tried a new suit this year, and I was thinking of trying it out. It's CKX's Yukon suit.
Yeah, it's got insulation for trail riding, but I was like, well, we get some cold days once in a while.
We get cold days in the mountains. I was thinking about trying this thing out too.
Who's gonna let us know?
Oh yeah,
We'll let you guys know
we
too.
all have different suits this year. So Ben has a non-insulated.
That looks
I have a semi-insulated, and then Ben or Sean here has like the Yukon one. So that's
looks
like. He shouldn't have lost all that weight.
Right?
Get her on. Try it
Feel
on.
that.
Yeah, I know, like.
It's kind of heavy.
Is that
But I mean,
heavier?
that'll be good for
I think you'll be like. I think you'll be
fine.
happy with that.
You'll be naked in here.
Yeah.
I know. I'm gonna like it.
Yeah, I think so. Ben, you better open up a helmet for us though. The other one, white. You picked one that surprised me this year.
Well, I was kind of unsure what colors I'd get, so I'm like, well, we'll just get this one.
Who got the blue suit? That's mine.
That's me this time. I got to be the blueberry. Give me the blueberry. I knew that'd like piss you off.
Ben's gonna get the black.
Ben got.
One piece elevation.
Hey,
That's nice, Matt.
It is mad.
that's pretty cool. That looks almost kind of retro-y.
Yeah, that
Kind of,
looks
yeah.
nice. What kind of goggles did you get? Did the goggles match? Oh, they even did like matching goggle straps.
I got another set in here.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah, they come
These
with a lot of
yellows or
stuff.
clears, maybe.
These helmets are so cool. They come with all of the stuff.
All
Get a
the
little bag
accessories.
of goodies in here for, and it's probably all. Oh yeah, you
gotta
got
strip 'em
all
down.
that. So we have to strip these helmets down.
Yeah.
Because they just got too much stuff to keep you warm.
I want to look at mine.
You better look at yours too. Yeah. So me and Sean have very similar helmets here. The difference is one of them is carbon.
Better.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, Ben.
Look at that.
Wait.
Look at those goggles.
Ours are the same, just different colors.
Benjamin.
Yeah.
Got that.
That looks cool.
We got the same, same glasses almost.
That looks good.
That's good too.
Yep.
Because everything's fucking got all the silver in here.
Yeah.
Kind of goes with the white.
That works.
Yeah.
That looks nice.
I shut the camera off just when he did that. Oh.
Yeah, that's
Nice.
cool.
Yeah, CKX has been with us for what, 10 years almost?
Oh yeah, it's gotta
Yeah.
be 10 years or something.
They've always been super good to us and they always outfit us.
Absolutely.
Yeah, they're awesome.
Yeah, we appreciate that, and they're a good company to work with.
Absolutely. Wicked gear, too.
Yeah. Sorry, that there.
Get everything in the Ford Raptor.
We call it Ford Raptor.
That's all I call this thing.
A bit of a ripper, eh?
The Ford Ripper. Dude, the midnight didgeridoo. Okay, we'll get out of here, all right?
Okay, bye guys.
See you later, dude. All right, buddy. Yeah, no worries. We'll see you later. Okay, we're all wrapped up here about as far as we're gonna be today. We got the wrong clutching for the turbo, so we're just gonna be waiting for the right stuff here to come in, and then we'll be done with that thing. Not too bad. Not as late as we usually get out doing stuff like that. I remember, if you've been with the channel for like a long time, you guys probably remember us building that trailer a few years back, quite a few years back, and us putting in like 3 a.m., 4 a.m. nights all the time. But not too bad this time. Kind of getting home at a decent hour. All right, guys, that is going to be a wrap on today's video. I heard you guys about the hats. The hats are coming in the new year, along with a whole new merch store. We're going to get that turbo all hooked up. I'm going to work on some clutching on the Alpha because I'm going to be able to need to keep up with what's going on here. Yeah, definitely a fun little install. All right, I'm going to be wrapping it up for the night. I'm going to bed. We'll see everybody in the next video coming up really soon. Bye, everybody.